Your car might look clean, polished, and perfectly detailed, but if the rims are scratched, faded, or corroded, the entire car instantly looks old. Most drivers think damaged rims are permanent. They assume the only solution is replacing the wheels entirely, which can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But what if you could restore your rims so well that they look better than when they came from the factory? In this video, we're going to show you how professionals permanently restore car rims, removing scratches, corrosion, curb rash, and fading using techniques used in high-end detailing shops. By the end of this guide, you'll understand the exact process professionals use to bring rims back to life and make them last for years. Car rims go through some of the harshest punishment on the entire vehicle. Every day they face road debris, brake dust, heat from braking systems, water, chemicals, and curb impacts. Over time, this leads to common problems like curb rash, scratches, oxidation, fading paint, corrosion, clear coat peeling. Many drivers try quick fixes like rim polish or cheap spray paint, but those solutions usually last only a few weeks or months. Professional rim restoration is different. Instead of covering the damage, it removes it completely, rebuilds the surface, and protects it with durable coatings designed to last years. In this video, we'll walk step by step through the professional process used to permanently restore rims so they stay looking new. Let's start with the first and most important step, understanding rim damage, why rims wear out. Before restoring rims, it's important to understand what actually damages them. Car rims experience constant abuse from the road. One of the biggest threats is brake dust. When you brake, tiny particles of metal and carbon shoot out from the brake pads. These particles are extremely hot and stick to the wheel surface. Over time, they burn into the clear coat and begin corroding the finish. Another major cause of rim damage is curb rash. This happens when the rim scrapes against a curb while parking. Even a light scrape can gouge the aluminum surface. Road salt is another enemy. In cold climates, salt used to melt snow accelerates corrosion and oxidation on alloy wheels. Then there are environmental contaminants like tar, oil, road grime, chemicals from car washes. All of these gradually weaken the protective clear coat. Once that protective layer breaks down, the aluminum underneath begins oxidizing. This oxidation creates that dull, chalky appearance you see on older wheels. That's why permanent rim restoration focuses on removing damage completely rather than hiding it. And it all starts with a deep cleaning process. Deep cleaning the wheels properly. The first real step in rim restoration is removing years of built-up contamination. You cannot repair or repaint rims properly if dirt, brake dust, and chemical residue are still on the surface. Professionals begin with a high-pressure rinse to remove loose debris. Then they apply a specialized wheel cleaner designed to break down brake dust. Many professional cleaners are iron reactive. When sprayed on the rim, they chemically react with iron particles from brake dust and turn purple. This reaction dissolves embedded metal particles that normal soap cannot remove. Next comes agitation using soft wheel brushes. Detailers carefully scrub between spokes, lug nut areas, and the inner barrel of the rim. The inner barrel is often the dirtiest part of the wheel because brake dust accumulates there for years. After brushing, the wheel is rinsed again. But the cleaning process isn't finished yet. Professionals then use clay bars or decontamination pads. These tools physically pull out contaminants embedded in the paint surface. When you rub a clay bar across a contaminated rim, you can actually feel it grabbing particles that washing alone cannot remove. By the end of this process, the rim surface becomes completely smooth and contaminant-free. Now, the real repair work can begin. Repairing curb, rash, and scratches. Curb rash is one of the most common types of rim damage. Even careful drivers eventually scrape a wheel against a curb. These scratches may look minor, but they actually gouge into the aluminum surface. Permanent restoration requires physically repairing this damage. Professionals start by sanding the damaged area using progressively finer sandpaper. Typically, the process begins with low grit sandpaper, around 180 to 320 grit to remove deep scratches. The goal is to smooth the rough aluminum edges created by the scrape. Once the deeper damage is leveled, technicians switch to higher grit sandpaper, such as 600 to 800 grit. This step refines the surface and prepares it for finishing. For deeper gouges, professionals may apply metal filler or alloy repair compound. This compound fills missing aluminum sections and restores the wheel's shape. Once hardened, the filler is sanded down until the repair blends perfectly into the original rim surface. At this stage, the previously damaged area becomes almost invisible, but the rim still needs to regain its original finish. That's where polishing comes in, polishing the rim surface. Polishing is what brings dull, scratched aluminum back to life. After sanding repairs are complete, the rim surface is refined using polishing compounds. Professionals use rotary polishers or dual-action polishers with specialized metal polishing compounds. These compounds contain extremely fine abrasives that smooth microscopic scratches. The polishing process gradually transforms the aluminum surface from dull to mirror-like. Multiple polishing stages may be used. The first stage removes sanding marks. The second stage enhances shine. The final stage produces a reflective finish. On chrome or polished aluminum rims, this process can restore the original factory shine. However, if the rims are painted or powder coated, the next step may involve repainting or refinishing the wheel. Removing old paint and clear coat. If your rims are heavily scratched, oxidized, or the clear coat is peeling, simply polishing the surface won't solve the problem. At this point, the old finish must be completely removed so the wheel can start fresh. Think of it like renovating a house. You wouldn't paint over cracked walls and expect it to look perfect. The damaged layers must be stripped away first. Professional rim restoration shops typically begin this stage by removing the old paint and clear coat. There are several techniques used depending on the condition of the wheel. One common method is chemical paint stripping. Specialized automotive paint removers are applied to the wheel surface, which soften and break down the old coating. Within minutes, the paint begins bubbling and lifting away from the metal. Technicians then scrape and wash off the weakened paint layers, revealing the raw aluminum underneath. Another highly effective method is media blasting. This technique uses compressed air to shoot fine abrasive particles at the rim surface. Materials like glass beads, aluminum oxide, or sand are commonly used. The particles gently strip away paint, corrosion, and oxidation without damaging the structural integrity of the wheel. Media blasting has several advantages. It removes every trace of the old coating evenly, including hard-to-reach areas like between spokes, around lug holes, inside rim barrels. This creates a perfectly clean metal surface that is ideal for refinishing. After blasting or stripping, the wheel is thoroughly cleaned again to remove any leftover residue or blasting particles. At this stage, the rim looks completely different. The shiny paint and coatings are gone, revealing the bare aluminum structure beneath. But this raw surface still needs preparation before applying the new finish. Technicians inspect the rim closely for hidden imperfections, such as deep scratches, corrosion pits. Any remaining flaws are sanded smooth, so the new coating will look flawless. Once the surface is perfectly prepared, the rim becomes a blank canvas ready for the next step, applying a brand new finish that will protect it for years. Repainting or powder coating the rim. Once the wheel is stripped down to clean metal, it's time to restore its appearance with a new finish. This stage is where the rim truly begins to look brand new again. There are two primary ways professionals refinish rims. Traditional automotive paint. Powder coating. Both methods produce beautiful results, but they differ significantly in durability and application. Traditional rim painting works similarly to painting a car body. Technicians apply several thin layers of automotive paint using spray equipment. First comes a primer layer, which bonds to the bare metal and ensures proper paint adhesion. The primer also helps smooth out microscopic surface imperfections. Next, the color coat is applied. This is where the rim gets its final appearance. Depending on the style of the wheel, this could be metallic silver, matte black, gloss black, gunmetal gray. Custom colors. Several thin coats are sprayed evenly to build up a consistent finish, but many professional restoration shops prefer powder coating, which is even more durable. Powder coating works differently than liquid paint. Instead of spraying wet paint, technicians apply dry powder particles that carry an electrical charge. Because the rim is grounded, the powder sticks evenly to the metal surface like a magnet. Once the wheel is fully coated, it is placed inside a large industrial oven and heated to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. During this baking process, the powder melts and flows together to form a smooth, hardened coating. The result is an extremely tough finish that is much thicker and stronger than normal paint. Powder coating provides several major benefits. It resists chipping, scratches, corrosion, road chemicals, brake dust damage. This durability is why powder coating is commonly used on performance cars, off-road vehicles, and luxury vehicles. After curing in the oven, the wheel emerges with a flawless new finish that looks factory fresh. But one final protective step still remains: applying a protective clear coat. After the wheel has been painted or powder coated, professionals apply one final protective layer known as the clear coat. This layer plays a critical role in preserving the rim's appearance. Without clear coat protection, the painted surface would quickly become vulnerable to environmental damage. Every time you drive your car, your wheels are exposed to harsh conditions such as road salt, gravel and debris, brake dust, water, UV sunlight, harsh cleaning chemicals. The clear coat acts as a shield against all of these threats. Professionals apply high-quality automotive clear coats designed specifically for wheel surfaces. These coatings are much more durable than regular spray paints. The application process usually involves spraying multiple thin layers across the entire wheel surface. Each layer must dry before the next is applied. This creates a smooth, glossy, protective barrier. Once fully cured, the clear coat provides several benefits. First, it enhances the visual appearance of the rim by creating a deep shine that reflects light beautifully. Second, it protects the color layer underneath from fading or discoloration caused by sunlight. Third, it prevents contaminants like brake dust from embedding into the finish. Brake dust contains extremely hot metallic particles that can burn into paint surfaces if not protected properly. Clear coat significantly reduces this risk. Many clear coats are also designed to resist scratches and minor impacts from road debris. When properly applied, this layer can protect the rim for many years before any refinishing is needed again. Once the clear coat is fully hardened, the restoration process is almost complete. But before the wheels return to the vehicle, they must be properly balanced. Balancing and reinstalling the wheels. After restoration, the rims may look perfect, but they still need to be properly balanced before they go back onto the vehicle. Wheel balancing is essential for safe and smooth driving. Even tiny differences in weight distribution across the wheel can cause vibrations when the car reaches higher speeds. These vibrations can lead to uneven tire wear, suspension damage over time. To prevent this, professionals use a specialized machine called a wheel balancing machine. The wheel is mounted onto the machine and spun at high speed. Sensors measure how weight is distributed across the wheel. If one section is heavier than the rest, the machine identifies the exact location where correction is needed. Technicians then attach small balancing weights to specific points on the rim. These weights counteract the imbalance and allow the wheel to rotate perfectly evenly. The process is repeated until the machine detects no imbalance at all. This ensures the wheel spins smoothly and safely at highway speeds. Once balanced, the rims are ready to be reinstalled onto the vehicle. Technicians carefully mount the wheels and tighten the lug nuts using a torque wrench. Using the correct torque is extremely important. If lug nuts are too loose, the wheel could become unstable. If they are too tight, they could damage the wheel studs. A torque wrench ensures each lug nut is tightened precisely according to manufacturer specifications. Once all wheels are mounted and torqued properly, the car is ready to return to the road. But there is one final upgrade that can extend the life of the restoration even further. Long-term protection with ceramic coating. After the rims are fully restored, many professionals apply an advanced protection layer known as ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are one of the most advanced technologies in modern car detailing. Unlike wax or traditional sealants, ceramic coatings form a semi-permanent chemical bond with the surface of the wheel. This creates an extremely durable protective layer. The coating is made from liquid polymers containing silicon dioxide, SiO2, or similar ceramic compounds. When applied to the rim surface, the coating spreads into microscopic pores in the paint or clear coat. As it cures, it hardens into a glass-like protective layer. This layer provides several major benefits. First, it creates a hydrophobic surface, meaning water and dirt cannot easily stick to it. Instead of clinging to the wheel, contaminants slide off. Second, ceramic coating dramatically reduces brake dust buildup. Brake dust normally sticks aggressively to wheel surfaces, but ceramic coatings make it much harder for particles to bond. This means rims stay cleaner for longer periods. Third, ceramic coatings provide additional resistance to UV rays, chemical cleaners, road grime, corrosion. Many high-quality ceramic coatings can last 2 to 5 years with proper care. This protection significantly extends the life of the restoration and keeps the rims looking freshly detailed. But even with ceramic protection, maintenance still plays an important role. Maintenance tips to keep rims looking new. Once your rims have been restored, the final step is proper maintenance. Even the best restoration work can deteriorate if the wheels are neglected. The most important habit is regular cleaning. Brake dust builds up quickly and contains corrosive metal particles. If left on the wheel for long periods, it can damage the clear coat and stain the finish. Experts recommend washing your wheels at least once every 1 to 2 weeks. Use a pH-neutral wheel cleaner designed specifically for automotive rims. Avoid harsh acidic cleaners as they can damage protective coatings. When cleaning your wheels, always use soft brushes or microfiber cloths. Hard brushes or abrasive sponges can scratch the finish over time. It's also important to clean the inner barrel of the wheel, not just the visible outer face. This area collects the most brake dust and grime. After washing, rinsing thoroughly ensures no chemical residue remains. Another helpful tip is to avoid automatic car washes with aggressive rotating brushes. These brushes can scratch the rim finish and gradually wear down protective coatings. Instead, hand washing or touchless car washes are much safer options. Finally, inspect your rims regularly for early signs of damage such as small scratches or chips. Addressing these minor issues early prevents larger restoration work later. With proper care and routine maintenance, professionally restored rims can maintain their beautiful appearance for many years. And there you have it, the complete professional process used to permanently restore car rims. From stripping away damaged paint, to repairing scratches, applying durable finishes, and protecting them with ceramic coatings. Every step transforms worn wheels back into show-rue condition. The next time you see scratched or faded rims, remember, they don't need to be replaced. With the right restoration process, they can look brand new again. If you enjoyed this guide and want more automotive restoration tips, detailing secrets, and car care tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video.